Alright, more Skids is still here, and we are painting the 86 in today's video. Because they've kind of got everything else handled in the garage, I'm trying to focus a little more on the 240.
So the 86 is ready to go. We've got chemicals sitting. Quentin and DJ wiped everything down. It's been a minute since anybody filmed anything, but we've got the body kit literally hanging out over here.
Alright, so I was putting the hood pins on the 240, but Samsquanch is in the other garage priming the Corolla. What do you think about it, DJ?
I think it's cool.
Samsquanch!
Yeah?
What you think?
What paint?
What?
What paint? He said, wait. He said, what do you think?
Nice! I think it looks wonderful.
Got a couple runs, but because like we were having some huge trouble with the gun, it's still doing kind of weird things, but I think the air hose is kind of tripping out. There's a piece in here that's not sealing, so it might be a little hit and miss. We're gonna have to just be really careful.
Well, it looks good so far.
Thank you.
Primed the 86 and now we're all sanding away, just rubbing every piece, every square inch. Yeah, more priming and then more sanding.
Likely that.
And then maybe even more priming.
No, let's stop it too.
Hell yeah. This is right cutting. It's actually just fucking mashing the keyboard. Yeah. Like this computer doing all that. No, it's actually happening.
Minecraft roads
Every 10 minutes. Open the door, make sure the garage isn't on fire.
Go to people on the internet and see how warm it is. Well,
Dude, my eyebrows hurt.
There's all kinds of flammable shit up there, but they don't seem to care.
They can combust.
Fuck 'em.
it's got a heat shield.
They're heat shielded.
Yeah, I mean tires melt and catch on fire too.
So yesterday we primed the more Skids 86 and got halfway around the car, and all of a sudden everything got crazy orange peely. Like this fender was a mess, and we thought maybe something happened with the gun or the lines or the pressure or whatever. And it turned out there were a couple of things, but after talking to the expert at the paint shop, seems like it was just too cold in here, and the paint itself was probably too cold. I think that was the biggest problem. It was probably 45 degrees or something like that, and that, you know, caused a big deal. So we got 2 heaters running in here. We're gonna try to get it nice and warm inside, because as soon as we start ventilating the shop, it's gonna get cold in a hurry. So everybody's going in the house. We're gonna let it get nice and warm in here, ventilate it a little bit, and we're gonna spray on the color. Should be pretty cool. Hopefully an orange peel today. We got that big old heater in there, which seems like a really bad idea. So we added the carbon monoxide detector up there on the wall, and it's not screeching unless you pull it out of the electric socket, and then it freaks out. So the panels are warmer, 64 degrees. We're about to mix paint. Haven't done 2-stage before really, other than tests. So it's going to be interesting. It's really easy to mix, just 2 to 1 for the base coat. Says that basically you just shoot 2 to 3 coats on one right after another, and then just dump the clear on top of it. So once we get rolling, it might not take that long, assuming that the temperature holds out. So, oh my god, this is just about perfect.
It's nice.
What's that? It was last night. So,
You excited?
This is like.
Hey dude, I'm psyched. This car is not gonna be purple or gray anymore.
No man, what color is it gonna be?
It's gonna be both of them,
Oh
but
my gosh.
not purple at all. Pink. How you feel about it, Quinn?
I'm hyped.
Nice.
Yeah.
It looks better than I thought it would.
I can't wait to see it on there. It's gonna look spanking.
I should take a picture of that.
Sam Squanch,
Yeah, that's what I did.
what's your opinion?
So I thought it was a little boring when I first looked at it, and it was on a muscle car. So I was like, I mean, nothing wrong with muscle cars, but it's not an AE86. And seeing it in the can right now, I think the carbon monoxide poisoning is kicking in, and I'm super psyched about it.
Spicy.
That's not good. Here, you gotta see it in the motions.
In the motions.
Look at that.
Oh man, look at the motions. Look at all those motions.
It's like a delicious mocha
Yeah, I don't know if I drink that one.
made of death.
Good day.
Spicy.
doing?
The gun's fine. The first coat of a metallic is always just horrifying.
That's all there is to say.
Looks fucking dope!
Best plastic dip ever.
Look at the magic you have worked.
Yeah, this is where all my sins, like when I put the clear on, that's like where everything bad is gonna be like, what's up?
Eh.
Oh, I'm on a film.
Oh, it looks so good.
Oh, it's not on.
Wow. Gosh darn, Samsquanch did a good job.
Spicy.
Looks friggin' prime time.
Oh, look at that kid. You look at that.
I can't wait to see it with the kid on it without one color.
It's gonna be so sick, dude.
It's gonna be unreal. It's all like Pokeboy and shiny. Fuck.
I'm glad you guys are stoked.
What? You're totally missing it, man.
Listen, what?
Look right. Look right. Ah, you fucked it, Jerry. Because he was trying to give you knuckles, man.
Like,
Oh, I just left them hanging.
Oh yeah.
don't worry, it was good for the video.
I'm high on lacquer thinner, so.
We forgive you, Ruben.
Mighty Dominic.
Dominic has graced us with another beauty again.
Yeah, we'll see. So we let it air out a bit, and we're trying to heat things back up. Seems really dumb, but it's happening. This is without clear. It's looking all right. So we ran out of propane, but it's looking like we got to our high 50s temperature we were looking for. This should be just fine. Right around 58 degrees in most spots. So I'm gonna mix up my clear and start getting her done. There are a lot of challenges on this thing, but I still have one more coat to put of clear to put on the kit. But while I've got a second, I'm stopping and waiting for that to dry, and I'm going to show you what we got so far. Well, we're all done. All those kit pieces have their clear coat on them, and they're just drying right now. We've got the heater back on. The air is cleaned out, although the floor is still sticky. Not sure what's up with that. Hopefully it'll dry, but anyway, the car looks pretty damn good. I don't think I could possibly have expected anything better than this, so whew, pretty happy about that. Anyway, I wonder what the next one will be.
Alright, so the 86 is now painted and
Looking spicy.
spicy as heck. It looks great.
Yeah.
Koos just showed up and is now seeing the 86 for the first time. You like it?
Boys, what color is that? What color would you call that?
Called Evening Orchid.
You mean orchid?
Yeah, it's a flower.
Honestly, this is fucking gorgeous.
Oh, the tape is pulling the black paint off the trim. Aw, feel bad.
You guys are gonna have to repaint the trim, man.
Yeah, I planned on doing that anyway.
I don't want that.
Sending it to me.
Nice. Samsquanch, are you happy with it?
Yes.
Nice.
I never just say yes.
That's the first time I've ever heard him just say yes, he's happy with the paint job. Ever. That's awesome.
Oh shit.
Guys, they're pretty much here.
We got stickers now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can buy them on the littlebigboys.com website. And soon we might have a blog or something on there, so you can read if you're really bored at work or something. There's another one somewhere. Simple Giants.
Oh, hell.
Yeah, oh, plain and simple. But they're out there. Go buy them.
We're just forcing our stickers upon Quentin and DJ.
I mean, if you look at where they are, they're basically at the car. It's theirs now.
Yeah, man, this is all planned, man.
This car straight up has its own paparazzi right now. Alright, so Quentin's putting on the last bits of the kit. And
Looks so good.
it's insane. I think everyone's a little stunned. The spice, man.
Extra spice. I like it.
Put on the rear fender and everybody went, oh, and then you put on the spoiler and everybody went, oh. Put on the front, people stopped talking. You put on the bumper and everybody took pictures.
Yeah.
It's kind of surreal, actually.
This car is definitely this is wild. It looks so freaking good.
Okay, here are the brakes, man. It's all you.
Instead of helping, we're just filming.
Yeah.
In case anything goes wrong.
Gravity's
Gotta get it on film.
You're on both of them.
Appreciate it.
It came out so good.
Yeah.
Like, way better than I think anyone else expected it to.
Definitely. So we're hyped on that. Big shout out to these guys again. Thank you for letting us come down and hang out.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, always good time. So hopefully we'll meet again soon. Maybe up at Evergreen.
Yes.
Absolutely, man. Let's get a test day going.
Yeah, so check the link down in the description. Jonas' channel will be there. Jonas's channel is Dominic's channel, basically, so they're kind of the same thing, obviously. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We're about to head home. And looks good. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Fuck yeah.